Hey boys, hey girls, we continue with our video. Now we're going to work about culture, okay? This is going to be on page 83. In this part, we have an activity about a typical school day in Australia, okay? Not in Peru, not in the United States, in Australia. It says, read and listen to the information about a typical school in Australia. Fill in the blanks with the words in the box below. What are these vocabulary? 3:30 p.m., 9 a.m., December, environment, for, hat, January, Japanese, science, swimming pool, uniform. Okay, boys and girls, what are you going to do? Easy. This is our activity, no? So as you can see, there are some parts that needs to be filled, like letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and K, with the information from here. No, this is going to be the information. So I'm going to play the audio, and what do you have to do? Listen and complete. So get ready, please.
Unit 5, Track 52, Activity 1. Students in Australia attend school for approximately 180 days per year. The school year, divided into 4 terms, runs from late January to mid-December. The terms are separated by 2 weeks holiday, except the summer vacation, which is from mid-December to late January. The typical school day in Australia starts at 9 a.m. and finishes at 3:30 p.m. There is a short break in the morning and students have lunch at school. Some schools, however, offer an afternoon break. For those parents who need to leave home for work earlier, morning, after school, and holiday care are available. In addition to math, English, arts, and science, students learn about sustainability and the environment. They also have music, dance, and swimming classes. Most schools offer other languages, such as Indonesian, Mandarin, and Japanese. Students have to wear a uniform and, because the climate in Australia is very harsh, many schools adopt the rule, no hat, no play, which means a student can only play outside if he or she wears a hat.
Well, this has been our audio about this article. So remember, the activity is to complete, not to fill in the blanks. No? Fill in the blanks. No? That is the activity. We are going to ask in class, some students, so that you can complete this idea. If you need extra time, you need to repeat the audio, there is no problem. You can do it. Now you can play once again the video, and you can listen many times. Okay? I'm going to read the article so that maybe you can listen to me. Students in Australia attend school for approximately 180 days per year. The school year, divided into 4 terms, runs from late January to mid-December. The terms are separated by 2 weeks holiday, except the summer vacation, which is from mid-December to late January. The typical school day in Australia starts at 9 a.m. and finishes at 3:30 p.m. There is a short break in the morning and students have lunch at school. Some schools, however, offer an afternoon break for those parents who need to leave home for work earlier. Morning, after school, and holiday care are available. In addition to math, English, arts, and science, students learn about sustainability and the environment. They also have music, dance, and swimming classes. Most schools offer other languages such as Indonesian, Mandarin, and Japanese. Students have to wear a uniform, and because the climate in Australia is very harsh, many schools adopt the rule no hat, no play, which means students can only play outside if he or she wears a hat. Okay, class, I read the article once again, so I hope you can understand and you can complete the information. Now let's continue. Here we have two pictures, no? There is a group of boys and girls, no? As the articles say, they're wearing uniform and of course a hat. Now this is a hat, yeah? No hat, no play. Because in Australia, the climate is very hard, no? The sun burns a lot and it is called a harsh. No, harsh. What is that? Let me see. Here, no, it's very harsh. And it says Australian students playing outside. In the second picture, the students are also wearing a uniform, but they are not outside. They are a typical Australian school. No, they are in classes. No, and here is the teacher. Well, let's continue. Think about school in your country compared to Australia. Is it the same or different? Complete the chart to find out. Okay, let's see. A school day in Australia says the school year runs from late January to mid December. Hey, teacher, what is late? Okay, the last week or the last days in January, and mid December is the middle. No, it's like, for example, we say quincena. No, that is the same. The mid Decembers. Okay, in Peru, in our country, is it the same like in Australia? No, we start early March, no, because late is tarde, early temprano, early March, and we finish mid-December, no, mid-December. So look, they start in January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, almost all the year, no, but in this part are including vacation. There are 4 terms. Teacher, what are terms? It's like, for example, they do classes in 4 parts, no? In Peru, for example, we study in 2 terms, no? The first term is our vacation from January and February, and the second term is in August, no, on vacation after Independence Day, no, 2 terms. Remember, the school day starts in Australia at 9 a.m. In Peru, in colegios parroquiales de Cerro Alegre, 8 a.m. No, and we finishes in Australia finishes at 3:30, and we finishes at 2:30. Okay, there is a difference. The subjects that are math, English, art, science, other languages. What about Peru? Math, yes. English, yes. Art, yes. Science, yes. Other languages, English. That's it. Okay. Students have to wear uniform? Yes. In Peru, yes. Students have to have lunch at school? Yes, your break. Remember when we have a break at 9:30, I mean, you have 10 minutes for having breakfast, for example. Special rule not had to play? I don't think so. Well, that is my opinion. But if you have a rule in our school, let me know. Let's see. Do you want to exchange? Sorry, do you want to change anything in your school routine? What and why? Now, this is going to be a personal answer. No, this is for you. Do you want to change anything in your school routine? Hey, for example, I want to start classes at 9 o'clock or at 10 o'clock, not at 8 o'clock. That is could be a possibility. No, no, I want to study only 2 hours. Okay, okay, relax. You can tell me that in classes, okay? Now, this is my second video and I finished this part. So hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much.